Hello everyone and welcome back to another tutorial for the Call of Duty mobile game. In this video, I'm going to show you how you can change the language within your game. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Call of Duty mobile game on your device, and once you open it up, you can use your email address and your password to log in and end up within the home page. Now from this page, if you wish to change the language within your game, just tap on the gear icon at the top right corner. Now from here, go ahead and tap on User Settings at the left side, and now you will see the language option at the very beginning. Go ahead and tap on the drop-down menu alongside your currently chosen language, and you will now see various different options that are available to choose from. Just tap on whichever language you prefer to use, and then this will restart the game to apply your changes right away. After this, your game interface will be changed into this language right away. If at any point you wish to change this once again, you can go back into the settings page and choose the very last option from the settings menu. From here, just click on the drop-down menu on the very first option and then choose your desired language once again. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to change the language within the Call of Duty mobile game. If you find this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more useful tips and tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you again in the next one.